Hey there, this is Jan with Orlando Flooring Gurus, coming back to you with another one of our flooring renovation projects. Today we're in Rockledge. We are installing a COREtec product. Demo was finished yesterday. Our demo crew did a fantastic job. Everything's back down to the slab, even though there was extra layers of material that were not even expected. Like, we never know when we break through something what we're gonna find. So this one had a lot of layers of different materials. So demo crew did an amazing job, took it right back down to the slab. We discovered that there was some humidity, more than what we expect to have. So therefore, on this one, we're using a liquid vapor barrier. Normally we use that for wood floors, but for this one, we're gonna use it and we're gonna apply it through the whole property. That way this vinyl install will be a solid install. So other than that, let me just take you over and let me show you how this goes, all right? Check it out.